Okay, did you win? That's how you set the tone for a really good YouTube video. Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back, I guess, or something. I'm SB Mitch. You could follow me on Instagram and Twitter at the handle on your screen right now. And you can now reach my website, sbmitch.com, because it's easier than ransomnotesneakers.com. And yeah, there's really no reason for having a 20,000 word long web page. I really lost that. Hi, pals! Speaking of changes, guess what's happening soon? T-shirts are on the way. I'll let you guys know when you can get a t-shirt if you want an SB Mitch t-shirt, which is hilarious to me that a logo that represents a stupid YouTube channel that I have because I have an email address is getting put on a shirt and people might wear it. That's even more terrifying, but hey, I appreciate it. We're doing a beater box today because it is indeed Beater Box Friday. This is another box from Supremacy. They're going to be doing memberships soon, so follow them on Twitter, hit them up, let them know. Don't let them know, because they'll just get mad and say the same thing to you. But this box is $1,100 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of 1,140 buckaroos, which is a new currency that is being used in the United States. Hey, they priced these boxes under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money. There's the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're going to break down the entire box to show you how much it's worth versus how much I paid at the end of the video. So stick around for that. Let's open the box. All right, this box is open. There are some loose shoes because I see one. And there's also a Steph Curry. Well, wow, looks like there's 3 pairs of loose shoes. Let's grab them. This first pair is a Jordan 4 in very lightly worn condition in a size 10. These are the Royalty 4s that came out like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I don't know. It's this all suede upper with gold eyelets, which is pretty cool. These are in really great shape. I mean, there's hardly any outsole wear, no star loss or anything. Just no box, and they're a size 10, so can't really complain there. Value on these is, I don't know. I don't know the value on these. It'll be on your screen eventually, so there you go. Size 10, Royalty 4s. And remember, if you're interested in buying any of these shoes, they will be available on my website, sbmitch.com, today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Another loose pair. It's an 11. It's a 2009 release. It's got the original plastic inserts, so that's cool. Size US 8. Pair of the Air Jordan 11 Retro Space Jam from 2009. Look at the separation on the toe cap there. Me, 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 me. That was me making the noise. That wasn't the shoe. The shoes do not make noise. But there's some scuffing on the side here. These are gonna need a little bit of a re-glue, but they are in good condition. They're probably pretty wearable, but there's like no drag, just a lot of outsole discoloration. No original box either. I can't imagine these were worth more than like 150 bucks with the separation there, but still a classic Jordan, and a lot of people prefer this model because of the 23 on the heel. There you go, size 8. Space Jam 11s from 2009. One more, it's also an 11, but it's an 11 low in a size 6.5 youth. 2017 release, cool gray 11 lows. These are, I mean, you can see all the dirt on the midsole there. Outsole's got some wear on it, a little bit of drag and stuff, but you know, drag and stuff. These are definitely gonna be cheap because they're a youth pair and they're also a low, I guess. There you go, 6.5. Cool gray 11 low, no box. 3 shoes with no box, that's a bummer. Let's see, I'm gonna grab this. We got a red Nike box. We have an Air Max 95 and a size 11. That's exactly what it is. I don't know the name of the colorway, but it's definitely red, white, and blue. For maybe France or something, I don't really know. 95s are crazy comfortable from what I hear. A little bit of outsole wear and discoloration from wear. Looks like all the nipples are kind of still there, but not really. But there's very little insole wear too. So good condition, just not a great looking shoe. I don't know, if you're into 95s, that's cool. Size 11, Air Max 95. Where is the value in this box? Oh good, a $1,100 Supremacy beater box with an Under Armour Curry 4 low in here. It's a size 12.5, so that doesn't help anything. Are they at least dead stock? I can't tell. They might be dead stock, but they might not. I'm not gonna sit here for 20 minutes and figure out if it is. But it's like a Curry 4 low in a Warriors colorway, yellow and blue. There you go. I'm not gonna waste time on an Under Armour. Sorry if you're a fan of Under Armour. 12.5 is a weird size to sell too, because yeah, it's rare size, but not many people wear that size. So got an Air Jordan 7 retro in a size 10.5. These are a worn pair of the France Bleu, France Les Bleus. No, that's the French blue. Jordan 7. This is a classic colorway. A lot of people love this. There's just a lot of outsole wear and not wear, but it's just dirty. So these need to be cleaned up big time. Nice fancy little aglets on the ends here. The other shoes in just as good a shape. These are from like 2014, I think. So they're not too old, but they're worn enough. So quality feels really nice. The leather is very soft. Not a huge fan of 7s myself. I think they're a little bit too high top for me, but there you go. 10.5. French blue 7s in worn condition with the original box. Very cool. There is a massive SB box in here, so we will get that out of the way. A size 15 Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Okay. So this is a pair of dead stock pair. That's cool. A pair of the black coral Nike Dunk Low Pro SB from this past year. 2019, not 2020. It's only, I mean, we're into like 2 years, whatever. But they are dead stock. They're just gigantic. I mean, look at this thing. You can get inside this thing and cross a river if you really needed to, but a lot of suede, a lot of leather, just not a really great colorway in my opinion, but there you go. I'm sure these will sell quick because probably not a lot of value in here, much above retail, because retail was like, what, 90 bucks? So these are probably going for like 125, 130 bucks. There you go. Black Coral SB Dunk Low, a massive size. Got a red Nike box. Got a size, ooh, Air Max 97 UL 17. That's not what it, I have to compose myself. That's not what's in here. Oh, what size is this? It's an 11.5 too. Okay, this is awesome. So people always ask, so what's a pair of SBs that you regret letting go of? And this is always my answer. These are in good shape too. Oh, I used to have these when I lived in Portland and I sold them and I don't know why. Y'all, this is like a, this is a blue box SB. I don't remember what year they came out. Oh. This is the Miss PAC-MAN Dunk Low SB. Oh, I love this shoe! So it's got 3M piping around the vamp on the side panel and around the swoosh, and the ankle pink nubuck and teal suede with bright yellow laces. This shoe is very loud. Oh, I'm gonna have a hard time selling these because I don't know if I can give them up. They might be a little bit too big for me though. That's the only thing that I'm worried about. This is a dope shoe. I'm doing a 360 on these. These are great. I love this sneaker. Just a cool combination of colors. They released with a Dunk High PAC-MAN. I think this colorway is much, much better. And I am just a sucker for pink, even though this is a little bit darker pink. Oh, this is gonna be tough. I'm sure the value on this is pretty high too, because you don't see these very much nowadays. So size 11.5, Dunk Low, Miss PAC-MAN, Dunk Low Premium SB, I wanna say. Oh baby. Oh, that's a good one to get. Oh, this is a great box. I'm a fan, I'm a big fan. One last shoe. It's a size 10.5, LeBron 8. It's from Cleveland Soul 23. I'm from Cleveland, that's very cool. Dude! Are you kidding? Wow. Okay, this is a really good pair. Again, they come with the extra laces. They're in a size 10.5. They're in good shape. Y'all, South Beach 8s. Dang, dude, this box is great. I'm biased because I really like this pair. I used to have them. They're just, LeBrons are just too narrow for me and they're very bulky in the toe box. But this is the South Beach colorway that started everything. Yeah, and it's got the pink laces and the secondary laces. I'm sure these are worth something now too. Wow, a little bit of discoloration in the piping because it happens and the outsole, but this is an iconic LeBron. Ugh, wow, this is a really good box. Those last two shoes are fantastic. There you go, size 10.5, LeBron 8, South Beach. I think they're called Preheat on Goat. The box is pretty beat up, but otherwise, dang, wow, good box. Good gracious. Let's look at the breakdown right now. Breakdown. I'm super biased because this box contains one of my favorite Dunk Low SBs, but I think this box is very good. I think it's very good. The shoes that need to be cleaned up will be cleaned, and they will be available on my website today, sbmitch.com. Find it. That's where you can find shoes at 6 o'clock. Wow, I have no words. Good box. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun. I had a lot of fun with this video. Bye.